Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to show you the cheapest way that you can get your hands on Claude and GPT-5 models, especially for coding. As you can see, they even have a free plan. You can use all the top AI models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Every month, you will get 50 requests without paying anything. That's the first plan. So even if you don't want to pay like $10, you can definitely use the free plan without paying anything. All you need is a GitHub Copilot account, and you can just use that within your VS Code or client extension. Now moving into the second plan, this is the Pro plan. This is the cheapest one, and as you can see, you can try it for 30 days as well. So you can get access to Claude Sonnet 4, GPT-5, the latest version, and even Gemini 2.5 Pro and much, because you can get it for $10, right? No other providers that I know of is giving access to AI models for $10, because all the others charge. For example, if we go to the official pricing page of Anthropic, you can see if it's above 200k context, you will have to pay like $15, right? It's already above. This is just for one request. Like if we go above 200k token, right, even that will cost $15. So I just want to show you like the pricing, why everyone is charging like $20 and above, because it's not really possible for them to provide that. So as you can see, if it's above 200k token, it's $22 per million token for the output. And if we go to the pricing page of GPT-5 itself, the pricing is not really different. It's $10 per 1 million token. So it's just one request with 1 million token. So that's the actual pricing of other providers. This is the only why I would say this is good for coding. If you are like a hobbyist, then this is really good, because you get unlimited agent mode chat with the GPT-5 mini. So if you want to use GPT-5 mini, it's unlimited with this $10 plan, right? And you can have access to all these Claude 4 with GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5 model in $10. And the other part is that you will get like 300 queries per month. And if you want, you can also have the option to pay for on a query basis. You can set your budget. And as you can see, I have used up my premium request. I already tested this out. So that's why I am giving you a review how I used it. You can use it directly on the web browser if you don't want to use VS Code, but the real power comes when you use it with the VS Code, especially for development. Let me show you how to use this. If you want to subscribe to this plan, $10 plan, you can come in and go to Google and type GitHub Copilot Pro. The first search would be like try GitHub Copilot for 30 days for free. Just click on it and just click on this button. If you already don't have a GitHub account, sign up for a free GitHub account, and this gives like 30 days free access for their $10 plan, right? You can see what you get is 300 premium requests. These 300 premium requests that you can use it for Claude Sonnet for GPT-5 and 2.5 Pro. Just click on try now. You will be presented with two options. One, pay with monthly and pay yearly. And pay yearly, you can save $20 as well. That's even cheaper. So you are only paying $100 per year. So it comes around 8 point something, right? 8 point. So once you make your payment, you can sign into your account in VS Code. You go directly to VS Code. And if you already don't have GitHub Copilot chat enabled, go to the extension and type in chat, and this option will come. Just click on the install button here, and once it's installed, you will see an icon like this right on top. You just click on this, and you can select from all the models here. If you want more models, you can click on manage models, then click on just. You can also add other API key if you have, but since we paid for Copilot already, just click on Copilot here, and it will show you different models that you have access to. So enable or disable any model that you want from the list, and just to keep Claude Sonnet 4, Sonnet 7, 3.7 if you want. As you can see, you have the option, right? You select the models that you want, and you can directly open your code base like this and start talking to that code base, or you can ask it to create like something from scratch as well. We can select all the models. But my favorite way to use this is it can be used as an API, right? Since we already have access to this, client also can get these models so that it can work autonomously. If we use the agent mode, we always have to have a click on the accept button every now and then. With the plan, you get 0x. That means you can use these two models unlimited, 4.1 and GPT-5 mini. Only these one comes in the 300 request that we get per month, right? If we talk to any of this model, that will be reduced for every query that we make. So you get around 300 queries every month, and you can always see the status by hovering over here. As you can see, I have used up my premium request because I used it to chat with my code base. If you want a more like premium query, just click on manage paid option here, and you can set your budget for queries. You can just click on this edit button and set up the amount that you are willing to spend extra. If you need additional $10 worth of queries, then you can put that in here and update it, and you will get access to even more premium queries. That's how you can expand if you have some additional requirement. This is how it looks. And before you go to client, make sure that you chat with this here, right? That's the important part that you need to remember here. See, when I started the first time, I had to enable Claude for Sonnet. So I need to select the model that I want to be enabled, then just message that model, say hi or something, and you will see a button that pops up here. You will see this button. You click on that button, then only you will have access to that specific model. You can use this direct agent mode in Copilot. The only issue is that you will have to click on accept every now and then for the changes to be applied, right? That's a bit manual process for me. So what I do is that I go to client, I'll come here, I'll select VS Code LM API, right? This is where we have access to all the models. See, here we have access to all the models that's available here. So this way we can actually use client along with the Claude Sonnet or GPT-5 models, or you can come here and select all these models. See, you have access to Claude Sonnet 4. You can use this and chat with this model. The other issue that I felt when I was using this is, let's say if I say hi, this is the GPT 4.1 model that we get. I am not sure whether this is the actual case, but here I can only see the 128 context window, because if I understand correctly, the GPT 4.1 model has got a context window of 1 million context, right? But we are not getting that access. What happens is that when we use this Claude Sonnet or any model from Copilot, before it gets to the 128k context window, it will compress everything, then start a new task, so that it's not forgetting what we were discussed till now. So that's how we remember the context. That's also, I think, is like one limitation, but for most of the use cases we can definitely use that. If you want to have access to like premium models, those are the things that you get from the $10 monthly plan with this Copilot Pro. If you don't want to pay for this, if you have an email ID, you can just create an account, but you need to verify a payment method. That's it. Then you can go in and create a free account. Then you can enjoy like 1 month of free Copilot for free. As you can see, I am in the L subscription right now, so I have not yet paid any money in order to use this. So you can also try this by going to Copilot Pro. This is the cheapest way to get access to Claude 4 that I know of. If you know any other option that provide even more options that we can actually use for coding or can be used with VS Code, let me know. I have not found any other provider that gives us like 300 requests per month. That too, even for if you pay for yearly, it's around like $8.5, right? So really cheap when you compare with other providers. If you learned something new, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. I hope this was helpful. If you like to see more videos like this, sharing my own personal experience, please consider subscribing so that I'll know you guys like these kind of videos and I can make more of these. Until I find something interesting again, bye for now.
Like, share, subscribe.